Hi. Is my last time getting ready for work here in Fuerteventura.
Hi! Today I'm gonna be showing you how I used to get ready for work for one of the shows in Fuerteventura. Okay, so now we start with the foundation. We get given our own foundations, but I preferred to use my own personal one just because it felt better on my skin. It was less thick and I just really preferred it. But it was really up to you if you wanted to use it or not. And then onto my eyebrows, because without eyebrows, oh my days, because of the foundation, so it's good to have eyebrows, especially on stage. And then onto the eyeshadow, where you just slap it on. You don't slap it on, you just put lots of it on. I actually used to do my eyeshadow quite differently, but this look that I'm doing now, I kind of became fond of it, so I kept using it more. And then onto the eyeliner, where I think I quite got good at it. Like the eyeshadow, I used to do my eyeliner quite differently, but then as I grew older, I think I found the right way to line my eyes for my eye shape. And up to the mascara next. Mascara or mascara, however you want to pronounce it.
So it's time for the hair.
Now time for the hair. Okay, so normally my hair is supposed to be dry here, but I guess my hair was still wet. And so I put it in pigtails, oh my gosh. Pigtails, and then I leave some strands at the front, which I then braid back upward up to where I want the ponytail to start, and then I try to go as high as I can. This is such a workout, by the way, because of how your arms are just up like that. But anyway, I gather my hair, put it up in a high ponytail, as high as I can if I want, and take out my hair ties when I remember, and put it in a tight bun ready for my hair ponytail extension. And this is from Stranded Hair Group, the Medium Flicky Ponytail, shade Queen of the Night. And I used to be worried about wearing any hair extensions, especially with the thought of it falling off of my head while I'm performing or dancing around. But when I got introduced to Stranded Hair Group, it felt quite nice. It was quite secure, especially when you put lots of hairpins in, and it made my hair quite full, which I love. And now it looks like I put my eyelashes on, and that's it. I think I didn't put any blush on. Maybe I did before we started the show. I'm not sure. But with the lipstick, I normally put it on a few minutes before the show, and yeah! Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed it! Here's a little coffee break tradition where we do a coffee song performance.
It's amazing, right?
Just to explain what's going on here, me and Sam would normally go get the coffees for a coffee break, and then that's when we pick a song, we change the lyrics so that it fits coffee, and then we go back and perform. Yep, we delivered most of our coffees with style. I genuinely enjoyed doing this.